Hey everyone, it's Kelly G in the Craftique Studio. Welcome in. I am beyond thrilled to share with you that we are going to launch our first ever scrapbook album workshop. And it is so exciting because it gives you the opportunity to craft along with me, Kelly G, in the Craftique Studio for a class where we're going to make a gorgeous project. I'll give you a sneak peek right here. Look at this amazing album. It's part of the Kaleidoscope collection from 49 and Market. And there's lots of goodies that are inside the book and included with the package. Along with the package that you would order, you would also receive access to the live class that's going to be broadcast in April, as well as access to the footage after the class. So if you're like me and want to just follow along on the live, and then later on go back and rewind and take your time to make the project, that's totally an option. There will be 3 parts to the course. The first part will be the homework part, where we're going to just spend time cropping and cutting and preparing the papers. The second session is going to be the class itself, where you get to have so much fun and be creative in creating the album. And then as a bonus class, the third class is going to show you some ways that you can use all the scrap papers to make some gorgeous greeting cards. This class is for all levels. You don't have to have a die cut machine. We're not stamping. You only need a paper trimmer and some adhesive to join along as your tools. So sign up today because seats are limited. There will be a link in the description box below with information on how you can register today. Now I'm going to walk you through the book and show you what it looks like, as well as show you some of the materials that you're going to receive in your package. You are going to absolutely love making this gorgeous album with me during our first ever Craftique Scrapbook Album Workshop. This features the collection that's called Kaleidoscope from 49 and Market. And 49 and Market, if you haven't heard of them, is known for making gorgeous high quality papers in beautiful colors and vibrant patterns. So this one is no exception. Let me take you through the book to show you what we're going to make. As you can see here, the book is covered from front to spine to back cover in the gorgeous papers, as well as adding a little pocket here that you can slip something into, and you have their florals here that are added for a little bit of dimension and interest. As we open the book, you're going to see little black mats here, and they are mats for photos. Now, you don't have to limit yourself to photographs. You can put in journaling cards, you can put in pictures of different items, whatever suits your interest. And you can totally make this your own with personalization. You have a little pocket here for that. And then you have a lot of interesting elements inside. This is a trifold, which open up to reveal another picture here. And as you can see, there's a lot of space here that you can add personal elements if you'd like as well. Turning the next page, we have a couple of other picture options here too, and we have a little bit of an open flap that presents an opportunity for 2 pictures. And it goes even further with another flap. I have these different pieces here that I'm going to use once I decide on different pictures or different quotes or things that I want to highlight, and then I'm going to place them at various places within the album. You'll have the opportunity as well to save some pieces that are left over from the set to add a little bit more embellishment to your project as you see fit. Going to the next page, we'll have even more room for pictures, and it's just really fun how you can create some 3D elements to stand over your pictures to just give it a little bit more dimension and interest. This page is one of my favorites as you turn, because not only do you have this beautiful scene here, but you can open it up from the top, the middle, and then look at that, the bottom. So many opportunities to create so many different layouts and so many different options. Here you can put some pictures, you can write something, put a couple of pieces of ephemera there, whatever you'd like. This is a pocket page, and it actually has a nice little groove that we cut out to put in any type of little memorabilia, ticket stubs, or anything else that you would want to keep safe. And then we go to the last page here, where we have yet another little pocket for a picture, and you can do whatever you'd like on this page as well. And then you have your back cover. So as you can see, this will make a great gift for someone. If you don't want to keep it all for yourself and make one for you, this will make a great wedding shower gift, a Mother's Day gift, because we'll be in time for Mother's Day. You can put some photos here of your family, a baby shower gift as well. So there's so many possibilities for this book. You can create it for someone and then have them insert their own pictures in it as well. Let me show you the materials that you will get for this particular class. I'll put this to the side here. First of all, you will get the Foundations Mixed Up Portrait Album, and that is the basis of the project that we're seeing here too. So this is an open canvas, if you will, as to how you're going to design it, and it comes with already the mix of the interior pages. So you don't have to buy any more pages to use this album. There are also expander pages available if you wanted to build your album out even further down the line. Along with that, you will also receive the Kaleidoscope Collection Bundle. And this is where all of the goodies are. You're going to get this really beautiful and sturdy project envelope. And then when you open it up with Velcro, you're going to see all of the beautiful pieces that come with this collection. You're going to see some epoxy coated sticker embellishments, some rub-on transfers, which are a lot of fun to use, and we use those in the project, as well as some stickers, laser cut stickers, which are cut right down to the edge. We'll have some chipboard pieces, which are so gorgeous, and you'll have all of your papers in the 12 by 12 paper collection. Now you may be wondering why the album isn't a 12 by 12 size album and we're using 12 by 12 paper. Well, the idea is that you'll have more opportunities to cut along the patterns of these beautiful papers to create big sheets that would match the size of your book. So you'll have also some papers left over that you can use to highlight some of the pages, or if you wanted to switch up from the patterns that we're using in the collection or in class and do your own thing, that's a possibility too. Let me just open this up to give you a sample of all the goodness inside. These papers are double-sided, so you get this gorgeous, gorgeous coloring. And the paper is very thick, and it's a nice weight to it too, so that you can do so much with it. You have the beautiful butterflies, and you recognize some of these pages from the album as well. So as you can see, there's a wide variety of different things in a coordinating color palette, and each of the 12 by 12 pages comes with a strip as well that you can use for borders and other things too. So just a really beautiful mix of papers in different colors, different patterns, and they all work together to make this beautiful project. Along with that, you will also receive a pack of ephemera bits, and these are some really, really fun accents. You'll see some of those here that are used in the project. You'll also get some of the wildflowers, the blue wildflowers, that you can put into your project too. And we're going to add a strip of the washi tape, the beautiful washi tape that coordinates with the project. What you can do with this is use it to decorate the spine. So you can run it down the spine of your book, or you can cut it down and use it for parts of the front cover or something like that. So it's totally up to you what you do. But this is a washi fabric tape. It's a really beautiful and firm washi tape. Very thick, and the texture on it is so pretty. And last but not least, you will receive this limited edition craft tote, or project tote. 49 and Market makes this gorgeous craft tote, and this is like, I don't know, this is a little bit higher level than your average tote. You can't really feel the texture of it, but it's beautiful, very silky, and you can see it just has all the vibrant colors and patterns to match the complete collection that just wraps it all together. You can use this in so many ways. Inside the zippered pouch as well is a limited edition set of enamel dots that you'll be able to use also to just highlight different parts of your collection, and it matches beautifully. Now, one thing that I thought was really cool is that you can use this for, your bits and pieces, your extra pieces, and you'll know exactly which collection it is because it's all in the tote that coordinates with it. But if you're making this album as a gift for someone, or if you want to store it properly, you can actually stow it right inside of the project tote. And do this carefully. So this makes the perfect gift. And you can just put a bow on it, put a little tag on it maybe, and you're good to go. So this is just a beautiful project that I hope you would enjoy making with me. If you are interested, there is a link in the comment section or in the description section as to where you can go to register for the class. You will also receive free instruction for the class that goes along with it. The class will be divided into 3 parts. The first part will be the homework section where we'll cut and prep all the paper at once. That way, when it comes time to create, which is the second class, you'll be unlimited in terms of your space of creativity. All you'll have to do is assemble the pieces and layer them together, and then you'll have more fun doing it when the pieces are already prepped and cut for you. And then the third class is going to be a bonus class. There's going to be a lot of papers that are left over from your project and different ephemera pieces and stickers, etc. So why not put them to good use and make some cards out of them? We're going to have a third bonus class that allows you to make some beautiful cards along with me to complement this collection or to just send out separately. So I hope you'll join me for this class. If you have any questions, please email us at info@mycrafttique.com. Again, if you click on the link, you'll be able to find more information as well as ways to sign up. We'd love to see you at this course, and you'll be able to access the class 24 hours a day after it goes live. And you'll have unlimited access to it so that you can watch at your own pace, stop, forward, and rewind. Or if you'd like to do it again and buy another kit or share it with someone else, then you can do that too. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at our class.